Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Begin by identifying whether your Toyota Camry uses a manual lever or a power switch located on the outside of the seat near the door. If you have a manual fore-aft lever, lift it and slide the seat along the track to the desired position. You can typically move the seat up to 10 inches forward or backward. When seated, verify you have about 10 inches of legroom to the pedals for safe braking, and ensure your knees remain slightly bent when the pedals are fully depressed. Next, focus on seat height and cushion tilt to achieve good visibility and ergonomic support. If your Camry has a power height switch, press up or down to raise or lower the seat by up to 5 inches. Manual models use a pump lever or rotating knob. Tilt the front edge of the cushion so your thighs are supported and your knees sit slightly lower than your hips to reduce strain. Combine height and tilt adjustments until you have a clear view over the hood, and the dashboard instruments are comfortably visible without hunching. Finally, adjust the seatback recline and lumbar support for long-term comfort and safety. Use the recline lever or power switch to tilt the seatback. Most Camry models allow up to 30 degrees of recline, which balances comfort and control. Adjust lumbar support using the dial or electronic control to one of up to 5 levels until you feel firm support under your lower back. After making recline and lumbar changes, lock the seat in place. Fasten your seat belt and recheck mirror positions and pedal reach before driving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.